Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science like a topper. To truly excel, begin by understanding the core principles, not just memorizing. Dedicate a consistent amount of time, perhaps 1 to 2 hours daily, to your science studies. Active engagement, like questioning the material, is far more effective than simply reading. Always break down large topics into smaller, digestible chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed and ensure thorough comprehension. To deepen your understanding, try explaining concepts in your own words, as if teaching someone else. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts are incredibly powerful for grasping complex systems and relationships. Always link new information to your existing knowledge base, building a strong mental framework. The Feynman technique, simplifying ideas until a 10-year-old could understand, reveals true mastery. Consistent practice is non-negotiable for science toppers. Solve a diverse range of problems, perhaps 20 to 30 per topic, to reinforce your learning. Critically analyze every incorrect answer to understand the underlying error, turning mistakes into learning opportunities. Practice with past exam papers, simulating test conditions, to build speed and accuracy. Discussing tough questions with classmates can offer new perspectives and clarify doubts. For lasting retention, spaced repetition is key. Review material at increasing intervals, perhaps after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Summarize your key topics weekly, taking about 50 minutes per subject to consolidate knowledge. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing definitions, formulas, and specific facts. Regularly test yourself without notes to identify knowledge gaps and ensure you can recall information under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.